6 weeks is SpaceX's estimated time to gear up everything for Flight 4 right after the explosion of Flight 3. And of course it's possible, I bet my money on that. The reason they were so confident was that before the third launch, they could predict to some degree what would happen to the vehicle. As a result, several upgrades were added to Flight 4's hardware, which contributed to accelerating Starship's turnaround. So what are those? Find out everything in today's episode of TechMap. We know that the changes of the new Starship prototype are always based on the failures of their predecessors. As you can see during the most weighted glide back of B-10, the grid fin wiggled quite violently, seemingly losing roll control. Combined with the Raptor's problem, this could contribute to the super heavy speed becoming uncontrolled, making a soft landing impossible. Perhaps due to realizing the risk of catastrophes on the ocean caused by boosters' extreme landing speed, SpaceX activated RUD. Based on speculation, we can somewhat know what went wrong with this system. 4 grid fins are actuated electrically and powered by an onboard electrical system, possibly utilizing batteries or another form of power storage. SpaceX tends to employ innovative engineering solutions, so the power source for the grid fins might involve a proprietary technology or a combination of different systems. As far as I know, several years ago they started to apply Tesla batteries for the onboard electric system on Starship. Another news said that the batteries used on Starship are Tesla-inspired structural batteries built by a company dedicated to manufacturing batteries in space, Vista Space. Problems with loss of roll control on these waffles can come from unstable power transfers from these batteries. Or it could come from the unsuitable dimension of the grid fin for a large-scale vehicle like Starship, resulting in the new update on B11. In May 2023, the media captured the image of the new grid fin being delivered to Megabay, likely for B11 install. In comparison with the grid fins on B10, at a glance, I see that the new ones appear to be more curved on one side. Is the curved design better? It sounds like SpaceX wants to test both the flat and curved designs in real tests. So they decided to keep the grid fin's old design or the flat ones on B10 and test